Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video I'm going to start from sum number 5. For the previous one, please check the description box, the link will be there. So here in sum number 5, find the equation of the circle concentric with the circle. Here the equation x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y minus 5, that one equal to 0. And passing through the point here minus 2 minus 7. Okay, so that means here two circle with same center. So first here you have to find out the center of the given equation. So here 2g equal to minus 4, then g equal to here minus 2g equal to here minus 8, g equal to minus 4, and here 2f equal to 6. So here f equal to 3 and c equal to minus 5. That means here center of this circle equal to minus 4 and 3. Okay, center of the circle here minus 4 and 3. So as here the required equation of the circle is the same center of the given circle. So suppose here if you draw the diagram like in this way, so here the center of the circle is 4 and 3. Okay, and next one here, sorry, it's as g equal to minus 4, so center equal to 4, and here this one is minus 3, so 4 minus 3, and the another one with the same center. So this one here O is the center, it's A and B, and here the point B is minus 2 minus 7. Here point O, that is here 4 comma minus 3. So here OB is the radius of the outer one. So if you find out the length of OB, you can apply the distance formula. So it will be here 4 plus 2 whole square, then here minus 3 plus 7 whole square. Okay, so that one equal to here root 52. So root 52 is the distance of the outer circle. Okay, that means the radius of the outer circle. So now here you have to find out the equation of the outer circle. So here the formula x minus 4 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square, that one equal to r square. R square means root 52 whole square, that means here 52. So x square minus 8x plus 16, then y square, here 6y plus 9, that one equal to 52. Okay, is it clear? So now here next thing, x square, then here 16 plus 9, it's 25. So write down here x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y, and as here 52 minus 25, it's minus 27, that one equal to 0. So that is your answer. Now next one, sum number 6. Find the equation of the circle which passes through the center of the circle. So here the equation x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 41, that one equal to 0, and concentric with the circle here x square plus y square minus 2y plus 1, that one equal to 0. Okay, so here first you have to find out the center of the first circle. So here the center of the first circle is 2 comma 4. I hope you find out how to find out the center. And the next one here the center is 0 comma 1. Okay, now according to the problem you have to find out the equation of the circle which passes through the center of the circle, the first one, and concentric with the second one. That means if you want to find out the distance between these 2 points, that will be the radius of your required circle. Okay, I repeat, if you find out the distance between these 2 points, then that will be the radius of the required circle. So here radius equal to, you know the distance formula, root over 2 minus 0, it's 4, and the next one 4 minus 1, it's 3, so that will be 9. So here root over 13. Okay, root over 13 is the required radius. Now here the equation will be x minus 0, that means here x square, then here y minus 1 whole square, that one equal to root 13 square, so it's 13. So that means here x square plus y square minus 2y, then here plus 1 and minus 13, it will be here minus 12, that one equal to 0. That is your required equation. Now next, sum number 7. Find the equation of the circle concentric with the circle. Here the equation 2x square plus 2y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 35, that one equal to 0, and with area 16 pi square unit. So here area 16 pi square units. Okay, so you know the formula. The area of the circle is pi r square, that one equal to here 16 pi. So pi cancel out. So r equal to here 4 unit. Okay, that means the radius equal to here 4 unit. Now from this equation you can easily find out what the center. So here x square plus y square plus 4x plus 5y minus 35 by 2, that one equal to 0. So here the center will be here minus 2 comma minus 5 by 2. Okay, so that is the center, minus 2 and minus 5 by 2. Now here you have to find out the equation. So the equation of the circle will be x plus 2 whole square, then here y plus 5 by 2 whole square, that one equal to here radius means 4 square. So here x square plus 4x plus 4, here y square plus 5y, and that one equal to 25 by 4. Okay, and here 16. Now multiply with 4, so 4x square plus 4y square plus 16x plus 20y plus 16 plus 25, that one equal to here 16. Okay, 16 into 4, it's 64. 16 into 4, it's 64. So here your final answer, 4x square plus 4y square plus 16x plus 20y, then here 16 plus 25, 16 plus 25, it's 41. 41 minus 64, that is minus 23. Okay, so minus 23, that is your final answer. Okay, now next, sum number 8. Find the equation of the circle which is concentric with the circle. Here the equation x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0, and of double its, first one circumference, second one area. So as here the given equation x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. So that means here first you have to find out. Okay, first here you have to find out the radius of this one. Is it clear? Okay, so as here you can write down x square minus 4x plus here 4, and here y square plus 6y here plus 9. Okay, x square minus 4x plus 4, here y square plus 6y plus 9. So 4 plus 9. Okay, 4 plus 9, that one equal to here 13. So write down here minus 13 and minus 3, that one equal to 0. Now next you can write down this one as x minus 2 whole square, this one as y plus 3 whole square, and here minus 16. Okay, minus 16, that one equal to 0. So x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square, that one equal to here 16. That means here r equal to root over 16. Okay, so r equal to here 4. So as here r equal to 4, so here the circumference, you know the formula 2 pi r. Okay, so 2 pi r equal to 2, then here pi, and r means 4, so that means here 8 pi. Is it clear? So here 8 pi. Now the required, the circumference of the required circle is double of this one. So here the circumference of the required circle is 16 pi. Circumference of the required circle is 16 pi. So 16 pi equal to 2 pi capital R, as capital R is the radius of the required circle. So here pi cancel out, R equal to here 8. Okay, pi cancel out, r equal to here 8. And as both the circle are the same center, so here the equation will be x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square, that one equal to here it's 8. Okay, so 8 square, that one equal to here 8 square. So that one equal to, you can write down here x square minus 4x y square plus here 6y, and here 13 minus here 64, so minus 51, that one equal to 0 as your answer. And for the second one, as here 2 pi r, the circumference equal to 8 pi. So for the second one, pi r square. Okay, for the second one, pi r square, here pi r square equal to pi into 8, sorry 4 square, as here it is equal to 4, so 4 square, that means here 16 pi. So as the area of the required circle will be here 16, so double, so 32, so 32 pi equal to pi capital R square. So pi cancel out, here R equal to root 32. So the equation will be x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square, that will equal to root 32 whole square. Now you can easily find out the equation also. Now next, sum number 9. This is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here, prove that the radii of the circles, here the first one x square plus y square, that one equal to 1. Second one x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y minus 6, that one equal to 0. And third one here x square plus y square minus 4x minus 12y minus 9, that one equal to 0 are in AP. So that means here first you have to find out the radius of each and every circle. So here G equal to 0, F equal to 0 and C equal to minus 1. So radius equal to root over G square, that means 0 plus 0 and here plus 1. So that means here 1. So radius equal to 1, the first one. For the second one, here G equal to minus 1, F equal to minus 3 and C equal to minus 6. So radius equal to here root over 1 square means 1, 3 square means 9 and here plus 6. That equal to root 16, so 4. Now the next one, here G equal to minus 2, F equal to minus 6, C equal to minus 9. So R equal to here root over 2 square means 4, here 36 and here plus 9, that means root 49, that means here 7. So first one here 1, second one 4 and third one here 7. So now you have to prove that these three radii are in AP. If three numbers in AP, then double of the middle one. Okay, that means 2 into 4, that one equal to the addition of the first one and the last one. So here 8 and that one also equal to 1 plus 7. So it's proved. That means 3 radii are in AP.